downloading and installing VMware Player hands-on. VMware Workstation Player is a powerful and reliable hypervisor for running virtual machines. In this lesson, we'll walk through how to download and install VMware Player on your system. Step 1. Downloading VMware Player. 1. Open your web browser and go to the official VMware website, vmware.com. 2. Navigate to the Products section and select Workstation Player. 3. Click on Download Now and choose the correct version for your operating system. Windows, download the exe installer. Linux, download the .bundle installer. 4. Save the installer to your computer. Step 2. Installing VMware Player on Windows. 1. Open the downloaded .exe file and start the installation wizard. 2. Click Next and accept the license agreement. 3. Choose the default installation settings and click Next again. 4. When prompted, decide if you want to enable VMware Workstation updates and user experience settings. 5. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. 6. Once installed, click Finish to close the setup and launch VMware Workstation Player. Step 3. Installing VMware Player on Linux. 1. Open a terminal and navigate to the directory where the bundle file was downloaded. 2. Run the following command to make the installer executable. chmod +x vmware.bundle. 3. Start the installation by running sudo VMware Player plat bundle. 4. Follow the on-screen instructions and accept the license agreement. 5. Once the installation is complete, you can launch VMware Player from your Applications menu or by running VM Player in the terminal. Step 4. Installing VMware tools recommended. To improve performance and enable features like drag and drop and clipboard sharing, install VMware tools inside your virtual machines. 1. Start your virtual machine in VMware Player. 2. Click Player Manage, install VMware tools. 3. Follow the instructions inside the guest operating system to complete the installation.
Final steps.
Now that VMware Player is installed, you are ready to create and configure your first virtual machine. In the next lesson, we'll guide you through setting up your first VM inside VMware Workstation Player.